Well, the IDTA community is fantastic. It actually has opened up my world well and truly. I've been part of the community for the last 5 years or so and really enjoyed the growth professionally in trading as well as myself personally in my journey. I suppose it's given me more confidence to be able to really focus in on trading as a transition to lifestyle. I'm not going to say retirement because I don't think I've retired, I'm still trading. So it's a transition to lifestyle as I moved from my past 12-hour workdays to the financial freedom that trading gives me. Well, personally, I've become a lot more confident, relaxed and free in terms of what I can do every day. Look, the professional calibre of all of the IDTA leaders is amazing. I have never seen an organisation, an educational organisation like this.